Water management is a very important consideration when putting together a wall assembly, allowing vapor to pass from the inside out while not letting water reach the sheathing. Like other exterior claddings, Celect siding enhances this water-resistant barrier system by providing an initial rain screen that reduces the amount of water that reaches the barrier underneath. But remember, there's moisture that needs to escape the wall cavity from the inside. Therefore, the wall has to be able to breathe. The most important part of this system is what's underneath the cladding. In short, a properly prepared wall assembly should be able to withstand a rain with no water intrusion prior to any cladding being applied. To achieve this, the wall should be covered in a weather-resistant material such as a wrap or a coating with all the seams sealed or taped. Windows, doors, and other penetrations need special attention and are protected using flashing. These flashings may be made of materials like roofing felt or aluminum or a self-adhesive rubberized material. Now, it's important to note that when it comes to specific flashing types and applications you should use, it's important to know what's required in your geographic area because it may be different than what I'm about to show. The flashing application sequence should be first under the sill, then along the jambs, and lastly above the header. Start by cutting the paper back above the window on both sides at 45-degree angles and tape it out of the way for now. I'm using self-adhesive flashing on my example. Beginning with underneath the sill, install the flashing so that it extends beyond both sides of the window by the same dimension as the width of the flashing itself. In this case, that's 4 inches. Next, apply the flashing along the jambs of the window. This flashing should extend beyond the window a ½ inch shy of the width of the flashing, or in this case, 3½ inches. If you're using a material like felt paper, the flashing should be 9 inches wide. Run a bead of sealant around the window, making sure to cover all the nailing holes. And then embed the flashing into that sealant. And fasten to the wall along the outer edge. And finally, the header. But before flashing, install a drip cap on top of the window. Make sure this drip cap extends up the wall by at least 3 inches. Now seal over the drip cap with your flashing. This flashing should extend beyond the flashings on the jambs by 1 inch. Now you bring down your wrap over your flashing and tape those 45-degree angles. Your window is now ready for the installation of the siding and trim.